socio-economic cost of malnutrition.
Good day all. My name is Dr. Sekian Sana, a resident doctor, Plateau State Specialist Hospital. Today we are considering social economic costs of malnutrition. Malnutrition therefore is a deficiency in nutrient or overconsumption. Malnutrition could be undernutrition or overnutrition. Undernutrition means the person is not able to take enough of the micronutrients, which could be iron, zinc, iodine, vitamin A, or proteins and carbohydrates, consequently leading to stunting, wasting, or underweight. The overnutrition has to do with overconsumption, inevitably leads to obesity that we see. The causes of malnutrition are enormous. However, most of the causes is due to reduced intake, reduced consumption of micronutrients, and increased loss, particularly in our under fives with diarrheal disease. It is important to note that at least half of the children worldwide in the age between the age 6 months to 5 years have one form of malnutrition or the other, and the burden is close to 2 million children that are affected with malnutrition. Child and maternal nutrition form the largest global nutrition related health burden that we have, and it is estimated that annually it incurs a cost of $3.5 trillion to manage malnutrition, and a combined annual cost of undernutrition and micronutrient deficiency globally accounting for $2.1 trillion. It is important also to note that undernutrition and micronutrient deficiency causes greater than 10% loss in lifetime earnings. That is quite much. What then are the socioeconomic costs of malnutrition? A mother that is not able to get nutrients adequately is likely to transfer this malnutrition to her unborn child in utero, and so the child is delivered and have high risk of physical and cognitive impairment. A child with physical and cognitive impairment is unable to go to regular schools, is unable to learn properly, and therefore would affect his productivity and affect his outcome. A child that is malnourished is likely also to have increased risk of infection, and therefore more hospital stay, more cost of treatment, more cost of admission, and the burden on the family becomes more financially, emotionally, and physically, and therefore reducing productivity in the long run. An adult that is malnourished is likely to be less um, contributory to the local environment because he is not able to provide to his family, he's not even able having the vigor to provide for himself. Malnutrition is a serious problem, and so all hands must be on deck. It is estimated that if only we could invest in um, in prevention rather than treatment, a whole lot will be done to control and to prevent malnutrition. It is said that investing about $1.2 billion every year on nutrition can nutrition and nutritional interventions like micronutrient fortification or food fortification or micronutrient supplements or biofortification for stable foods. It's able to give an annual benefit of close to $15.3 billion, which is a lot. What then should we do? As a government, the government is supposed to be proactive, be concerned about maternal and child health, especially maternal and child nutrition, which is very important. Provide job opportunities for people to be able to feed their families and give them adequate diets. Also, providing and empowering people in agriculture, which is important. As doctors, we need to encourage people to educate them to 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 keep healthy habits, to keep healthy feeding, and to do the right thing. And then as individuals, we need to be proactive, watch what you eat, and also ensure that you have physical activity. Thank you very much.